Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? Hope you will be fine by the grace of Allah. Today we are sharing the recipe of caramelized custard with you. To make the custard we are taking 1 liter milk. This is the boiled milk. We are taking 2 packets of Mary biscuits, 1 cup of sugar, you can take Mary biscuits of any shape, vanilla custard, and also the half cup of mangoes, chunks of mango. You can also use any type of the fruit of your choice. You can also use banana or cocktail. And also we are taking crushed almonds, 50 gram of butter, now we are separating 1 cup of boiled milk. After separating 1 cup boiled milk, we are adding the 8 to 10 tablespoon of sugar in the remaining milk, and also adding vanilla custard. We are adding 8 tablespoon of vanilla custard in it, and now we are continuously stirring to avoid the lumps of any type. Custard has ready. It is not so liquidy or not so thick. After preparing the custard, we are pouring it in the small bowl. You can also take out in this large bowl. Now we are adding the chunks of the mangoes in it. We are serving in the small bowl. Now we are adding the crushed Mary biscuit from the top. After adding the crushed Mary biscuit, we are also adding the second layer of the custard. We have taken out the custard in the small bowl. Now in the second step we are preparing the caramel. To make the caramel we have taken the 1 cup of the sugar. Now we are adding 2 tablespoons of the water in it. We will prepare the caramels. So after adding 2 tablespoons of the water, we are cooking it for some time. Now it is being in the dry form. Sugar has dried, so we will add the butter. We are adding 50 gram of the butter in it. At this point we are adding the butter. Now we will mix it. We will cook it until the color will change. Now the sugar is again melting and it will be in this form. Color has changed of the sugar. Now at this point we will add the custard in it. Caramel is ready. Now we are preparing the custard. So we are dissolving the custard powder, 3 tablespoons of custard powder in the 1 cup of boiled milk. We will mix it to remove the lumps of the custard. We are mixing the custard powder in the boiled milk. After mixing it, we are adding the dissolving custard in the caramel. Very yummy caramel is ready. Now we are adding the crushed almonds in it. Caramel is ready. We have turned off the flame. Now we are pouring from the top of the custard. You can also serve in the large size of the ball or any small size of the ball. This is your choice. After topping this, we will chill it for some time and then we will serve the custard. It is a very yummy caramel custard is ready. Hope you will like this recipe. If you like this recipe, please comment us. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to get the all notification of our all new recipes. Keep watching and subscribe our channel to get more new recipes. Till then, Allah Hafiz.